The majority of North American companies rely on the powerful properties of chemicals to perform a wide variety of tasks in the workplace. However, if workers do not understand the hazards of the chemicals they work with, they leave themselves at risk of possible injury or even death. Don't worry. Thanks to OSHA'S Hazard Communication Standard, there's a system in place to inform you of those hazards. This interactive training program will examine the different elements of that standard, including chemical classification, routes of entry, workplace labels, safety data sheets, responsibilities, personal protective equipment, spill cleanup, and first aid. At the end of this program, you will know the steps to take to minimize chemical exposure in the workplace. Hazard communication responsibilities. Effective hazard communication requires effective communication through the chain of command. The responsibilities of different people include employers' responsibilities. Identify and list hazardous chemicals in the workplace. Obtain SDS and labels for each hazardous chemical. Develop and implement a site-specific written hazard communication program, including labels, SDS, and employee training. There are 9 pictograms under the GHS to convey the health, physical, and environmental hazards. The final hazard communication standard requires 8 of these pictograms, the exception being the environmental pictogram, as environmental hazards are not within OSHA'S jurisdiction. The hazard pictograms and their corresponding hazards are as follows. Oxidizers. Flammables, self-reactives, self-heating, emits flammable gas, organic peroxides.
Labels. Labels provide some basic information that a person needs to know to handle a particular product safely. Click on the different elements of the following label to read what the information in each section will tell you.
If you score 70% or greater on the course, you will be awarded a certificate of completion. To get started, call today